monitor 60 volt battery and its temperatures. So we are using 3.7 volt batteries that are connected in series of actually 14. As of now we have only 5. So this is a 3.7. It will come around 3.9. Some batteries will give up to 4 volts. So it will vary from 3.8 to 3.9 4 volts. So now it's getting approximately 19.8 around 19.8 volts in series. So we are connected on load to monitor this load current. So we have this current sensor NE219. This is the voltage divider circuit. So we designed this 60 volt is equal to 60 volt VCC and V0 is 4 volt. As per that we calculated R1 and R2. So this is the Wi-Fi. So this is the power supply to power up the ESP01. It's Arduino Uno board, Atmega 328 controller. So 16 capacitive LCD. So we are using LM335 as a temperature sensor. So we can place on each pack of the battery. So to monitor all this, we given a 3 temperature sensor, and the data will be uploaded to the cloud. So you can notice here. So in the field 1 we are sending a battery voltage. In field 2 we are sending current. Field 3, field 4, field 5 we are sending a temperature 1, T1, T2, T3. So we will power on this system. Settings. Sending away the commands to connect hotspot. Now it's connected to this mobile phone. Now the ESP01 is connected. So now showing as Wi-Fi hotspot 1 device is connected. Now this data is coming to the ThinkSpeak. 19.63 volts. Current we can turn on. We can so we can show this battery voltage, the multimeter. Check 19.8. So our circuit is running at 19.6 volts, very around 0.2 volts. So temperature sensor, this is I'm holding up this sensor. T1 is increasing. It's a T1, it's a T1, it's T2, it's a T3. So